Morning guys, we're at Scooby's garage sale and I'm just going to show you some of the stuff. We're putting stuff away for Nambour as well. So all this stuff's going to, look at these street sharks, man. Street sharks. Turtles. I don't know what it is. Oh, street shark. Oh, street shark. An alien. What we got here? Oh yeah, he's cool. Look at the boxing dude. People are probably going, oh look at this, you're breaking them. These are just tubs that we've slung together. These ones will go for Nambour. That's a lot of those mini things. That's one tub. We've got a heap of Tarzos and stuff in here. These are Tarzos. These are old. Baseball cards. There's a bit of that stuff. These were cool. I remember what they were. Little miniatures. Look. All pewter or lead. Very heavy. And a whole set of them. Horse. Cool, eh? The games there, we haven't gone through them ones yet. Here's another. Oh, he's cool. Look at that street shark, man. I love these, man. Oh, Furby. Another one. Another one. He's cool with the mohawk. Street shark's hard to get. A heap of footy cards. NRL. Hellboy. This Transformer. Some Monster High. Some perfume. Yeah, so that's just that little lot. We go out here and we started putting some other stuff aside. That's a really cool sword. Big sword. That's cool. It's sharp too, that's why we got it in here. A couple of game cubes down there. Monster High. I think there's a heap of Monster High in one of these boxes. Yeah, a lot of Monster High in there. That's an old. Oh, another street shark. Oh, it's a rhino, it's not a street shark. We got a giant one too. You know the big earlier ones? That's big, it's like 2 foot, 3 foot tall, that one. Bit of Warhammer. No, what's that? Just a truck. Yeah, these need to all be gone through too. That's a Bionicle, it looks like. Yeah. These are cool. Now Scoobz paid $45 for these. But some of these are worth a few hundred, eh?
Yeah, there's a shop that sells them for $45 each. So look them up and see what they're...
Yeah, they don't bother looking them up. Look at them, I love them. Living Dead dolls. So 45 is not what we're selling them for, that's what they're on the market for. And he's just going through, this is just some of the handhelds we scored. Just going through his shed and stuff. So this stuff's not out at the garage sale, this stuff's going to go to Nambour. But as you'll see, there is plenty going to the garage sale. Some shampoo, I want to take some of that home for myself. Someone wants to hide that, probably. In it. Magic of the Gathering. Cards. DVD recorder. Look at Cartman. This was a store display. Look at the size of it. You want 200 for him though, don't you?
Yeah.
Because you can't get me another one. Foot rock flats. There's like a whatever Star Wars thing is, some old Snoopies. Here's a Pokemon plushes. These are all Pokemon plush basically. Well, you know, that sort of, you know, if there's a Pikachu, a bit dirty, but they're all good ones, they're not just the cheap Kmart ones. A lot of them got a bit wet and damaged from your shed. Oh, look. E.T. go home. But it's all collectible stuff here. So his garage sale's on today, it's Thursday, until 6 p.m, the 30th of January 2025. And tomorrow, Friday, the 31st of January 2005. We're on the corner of Charles Street and King Street, Lower King Street. So this is all his personal collection he's collected over 15 years. And this place that he's living in is going to be sold. And over here there's, look, a mountain of plush. And it's different plush, you know what I mean? It's not just plush that's everywhere. Oh, there's a Bulldogs. He's pretty cool. It's got the Bulldogs pin on it there. These are cool too. You know, night before Christmas, Halloween stuff. There's plenty more stuff coming out too. There's a trailer out the back there that's just absolute chaos at the moment that he's going through right now. Okay, so the things in the tub should be all right, but water got into it up the top, so a lot of the plush, see, have started getting moldy and shit. So this has been here. See, look, Monster High. It all needs to be gone through, which is what he's doing over the next couple of days. Heaps of cords, there's PlayStation, there's all sorts in here. But he's going to do this over the next couple of days. See, that tub got wet, but it's still got good shit in it, you know. We've got to go through it all, you know. He's got a heap of games out here already.
I think the carbon might be this one. So he's not actually worth that much.
How big's that?
Like it looks like the same one, but there's one for like 79.
Nah, it can't be that big.
I think it is.
Really? Because that's like 2 feet fucking tall. Well, that's
No, 12 inch. Like no.
Well, it's not 12 inch.
Yeah.
12 inches a foot. These are his games. More in there. PlayStation 2. He's priced these, so he's looked up what CX are selling them for, and what CX will give him on a trade, and also CX what they'll give him cash for, and I think it's about in between those two generally. Oh, that's sealed. The PlayStation 2 here too. So he's got some games, hasn't he? This is all Scoobz, and this isn't the big and family, this is just Scooby stuff. So when you come to the garage sale, you got to deal with him. Well, these are, look at the Wii's. How many there is of that? That's nuts, isn't it? That's kind of cool too. Box is damaged, but it's never been out of the box. There's even drills in there. I mean, anything that was worth anything, he would buy, you know. These all cameras. YouTube, we should use them. Yeah, so this is where we are. That's the van. Right in the corner here, Francis Lodge. You come driving up, you come off the highway, you're coming from that way. Straight, Bruce Highway's that way. You turn off at Caboolture, that is the road that takes you to the highway. Just drive up. It's the ambulance station I'm pointing at right there. Get past that, the satellite's here. Here we are. And there's lots. Lots and lots and lots. Isn't there, Scoop? Lots.
There's still more to come out.
There's still more to go. Yeah, well, that's what I've said to him. You'll be here till 6 tonight and 6 tomorrow night. Pinkman, wasn't that an expensive one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a Zelda there.
I only know from watching that Chase Up the Right Price, you know, where they...
Yeah.
And GameCubes are harder to get because there's not so many GameCubes were made. Is that true?
Yeah. I have Zelda.
Yeah.
That's not there.
That's not, is Zelda there?
Yeah.
It's a win. Oh, both are there. That's a win. Probably get that graded. I'm mucking. Games in there too. So as you can see, guys, there is a lot. There is a lot. All right, well, that's Scooby's garage sale. Hope to see you there. Say bye, Scoobz.